so in this video, we bust out a fade on the sides and back and blend it up to the current length that was on top. You see, my model had shorter hair on top already, and I wanted to maintain as much of the length up there as possible so that we could have some hair up there to play with when he goes to style and dress his hair. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so very much again for watching. Alright, so here is the before, and here is me now getting started into the haircut. So, as you can see, I am now taking my clippers and working in an upward motion from the bottom of the neck up to the occipital bone and scooping out as I get to the top of the occipital bone. Now you'll also notice I do not have any guards on my clippers because I want to take the hair as short as the clippers will take it. Alright, so now I have my trimmers in my hand, and as you can see, I'm simply just going around the neckline, cleaning up all of the little hairs around the neck and at the bottom of the hairline. Alright, so now I've got my clippers again, and I have the smallest guard attached to my clippers. And what I'm doing here is I'm going through and establishing the length for the sides as well as on the back from the occipital bone up. So, as you can see, I'm working my way in an upward motion, and as I get higher up the head, I start to scoop out to soften the line to make it a lot easier to erase when it is time to fade and blend in the sides up with the top. So it is now time to bust out some scissor over comb. Now, if you follow my videos, there's one thing you probably figured out, and that is I love utilizing the scissor over comb technique. So, on that note, you can see me right here basically just blending in the sides up into the top, utilizing some scissor over comb. So now it is time to cut the top. However, I wanted to keep the top as long as possible because my model's hair was already short on top. So as you can see, I'm taking very little off the top. I'm just basically making sure that the shape is square, making sure that the shape is solid, and simply just dusting off the edges. Here I'm going through and eliminating the corner that is created when you have a square top and square sides. So, very little coming off the top, wanting to keep the length there so that we can have some hair on top to style. Alright, so now it is time to create some texture up on the top, and the way I'm going to do that is utilizing the twist technique. As you can see, I'm simply grabbing sections of hair, twisting it in my fingers, and then taking my scissors and slowly closing the scissors halfway. I'm not closing them all the way because I do not want to cut the hair off. I just want to cut pieces of the hair. So I'm basically just taking my scissors, closing them halfway, kind of slicing through the twisted section, creating texture up on top. So we have now come to the end of the haircut, and as you can see, I have faded in the sides and back up to the length that was already there up on top. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so very much again for watching.